What's up, good people? Welcome to another video. Something is missing, right? Give me a moment. Here is something that is very special to me because it was a dream to have this phone. And honestly speaking, this phone is something else. Not just a phone, it's an emotion. And it's very expensive as it's the iPhone 14 Pro Max 512 gigabytes model, and the color, I will show you the color. So welcome to another video. This is Gazim Issue. Welcome to the channel. This is one of the first unboxing in this channel, which is a iPhone 14 Pro Max dash color. So I got the delivery after 4 days, and this 4 days was really exciting for me because I have to wait for a long time as there was weekends, but it's finally here. So when I got the delivery, I just opened the seal, so you won't see this thing here, but everything is like that, like as a new phone. So without further ado, let's get back to the unboxing and let's do the unboxing with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So to unbox it, we just have to peel this, bismillah, and from here too. So let's take off the box first. Drum beats, yes. And yeah, you can guess right, this is the 14 Pro Max Deep Purple, which is their latest color from Apple, which is latest variant. Last time when 13 Pro Max was here, they released the Sierra Blue, and this time they released the Deep Purple variant, which looks fantastic. Not for only girls, even boys, and everyone likes it because this has shades of color in different light variants. It has a lot of colors. Like now it looks like a faded purple type. When I took it to the shadow part, it looks like black. And the best thing is the edge is flat, maybe a little uncomfortable to hold, but has a good grip. And it's also black, that I really like, because the other white and the golden variant has a silver color on the edges, which I don't like. Only the space black and this deep purple has this variant. And by the way, the video is also recording with the 14 Pro Max, so you can see how the quality is. And the best changes of this year is the cameras and the front. So let's take it off. So yes, this sound is so satisfying. And as like always, they put the paper in the front, not the plastic. And this is the phone itself. Here you can see the dynamic island is here, which has actually two parts, not one, but with software it makes like a pill, but this is actually two parts. One is the camera and one is the earpiece. And as always, there is no headphone jack, the lightning cable and the speakers. And on the top is blank, and on the side is the button for the silent and the, like, you know, the sound variable. And this is the power button, which looks a little flat. I so wish it was more clicky. And this is the power button. I'm sorry, this is the volume button, up and low. And something is missing, right? You can see something is missing. I know you can guess it. It has no SIM card slot. Yes, this is the first model which has a eSIM, which is like no physical SIM, but you can use a SIM all the time. So let's turn it on. Bismillah. So here is the Apple logo. And after turning it on, I'm gonna like switch everything back to this phone from my old device, which is OnePlus 8T. And yes, this was everything about the unboxing of the new Apple device. And you already know what's in the box, just a cable and some paper documents and nothing else. And by the way, this is a 512 GB variant. If you need more storage, you can get 1 terabyte, and on the minimum side you have to get minimum of 128 gigabytes, which will be like little less. But for the money, I think 256 GB is the best, but I needed some storage, that's why I brought the 512 gigabytes. So here is the hello, the signature step, and from here it comes purple, blue, black, then again blue. So that's all for today. And on the next video, I'm gonna show you how I put some accessories to keep this safe. As it is an expensive phone, I'm gonna use a case, some lens protector and a screen protector, and I will show you a charger. As the charger is not included in the box, I will show you one of the best charger in the world. So please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Goodbye.